Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So let's quickly look at gold. I was looking at the 1 hour chart, and we can see that gold currently trending to the upside as expected. Now, previous hour, we saw huge manipulation, which is a sign of further movement. So before we look at where is the next zone that we can look for buying on gold, I'll be quickly looking at higher time frame, looking at the monthly to see overall picture in the market. Now, as we expected in our previous analysis as well, gold, we saw that from this monthly support there is a huge bounce. Now this level from the monthly is quite significant. In the past we saw that there is a weekly candle, and from that level we saw the market has created this all-time high. The price has come down, and from that level there is a bounce. Now this is the monthly candle. As the price had a bounce from this zone, we can expect gold now to create a new higher high as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. From this liquidity zone to this liquidity zone, we can expect the price to hit that level. So from longer term perspective, we can expect gold to hit 2080 level. Now looking at the weekly time frame to see how the market is evolving, previous weekly candle is a bullish engulfer that you can see, which has almost no wick at the top and bottom, and that's a huge volume in that candle. Now as a result, this week we saw initial drop, which is a healthy pullback, and with the drop we saw that with this doji the price has formed a higher low with a potential lower time frame inverted head and shoulder. In that zone we see that gold now heading to the upside. Currently the price above all this weekly resistance, and I think that as this is the weekend we might see a bit more pullback and then continuation to the upside. So from the monthly weekly we see still gold showing bullish momentum. Now daily chart we can see a bit more clearer picture. With this impulse on the daily there is a narrow correction. So every time the price is forming this structure, market structure, the pullback is very narrow, which is a sign of high momentum from the bulls. Now at the moment we saw previous daily candle is also a very strong bullish candle with a very smaller wick at the top. Now today the market opened with a gap. Now this daily gap is quite significant, which is the important daily support, and also you see that this is the daily resistance level, turning support here, and these are the two levels that we can look for today on the lower time frame for a potential trading opportunity. Now I will be looking at straight away 1 hour chart. As in this time frame we saw that there is a 1 hour pin bar. This pin bar is quite significant. As you can see, this is where the daily support, the price has broken that low and then has got immediately rejected from that level. Now this is where I think that the market might come to retest this level, as this market is maintaining series of higher low, which is a very strong uptrend. Now I will be waiting for a local breakdown to any of this nearest liquidity zone to find an entry opportunity. I think that at some point, as this is weekend, we can expect a local breakdown, and any of this zone is violated, we could look for entry as soon as we see that it is satisfying the rules of our strategies. Guys, if you find value in this analysis, make sure that you leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.